Show the Gemini side panel by clicking on the icon. First, we'll ask Gemini to convert a column of static data to drop-downs based on the content in that column. Click on Apply to add the drop-downs to the sheet, and click on Undo if you change your mind. Next, we'll ask Gemini to apply conditional formatting to the sheet. Again, click on Apply to add the formatting. You can add filters to the sheet too, even without the filter button selected. Again, click on Apply to apply the filter. Finally, we'll ask Gemini to create a pivot table for us by typing a short description of what we want to see. Again, click on Apply to create the pivot table on a new sheet. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Talana to find out more about Google Workspace.